sound right. Let's get into it. So, what we have there is a noisy idler bearing. I know this because my buddy Alistair, who has his own YouTube channel, Friesen Automotive, link down below, checked it out for me on Friday. I had to order the part. So, it's not a difficult repair by any stretch. Just gotta take out the air box and it's right there in your face basically. So basic hand tools. I hope I've got the right sizes. All my stuff is still buried in the garage, so I had to go to Princess Auto and get a couple of bits to hopefully do this job quickly. I got to go to the Gold Eyes game tonight, so I'm kind of short on time, but let's get into it. As you can see, I'm just going to sit up on the front stairs here. This is the new idler pole. Got it off Amazon, factory Porsche part number, so I'm pretty confident it's going to work. Fingers crossed. This is what I had to pick up at Princess Auto. And this little envelope here is what So the first thing we got to do is remove the hose clamp. Disconnect the MAF sensor. Hose clamp, that is probably enough. This is the bolt right here. No big deal. Get it out the rest of the way with my fingers so it doesn't get dropping down in there. Twist it up all the way around. So this is the knob I will get here. So yes, got the tensioner moved out of the way. That is definitely not our friend today. So got this loosened off now. So far I've only needed two sizes for this, which is awesome. Just a 13 mil and a 15 mil. It is hot today, boys and girls. Just want to take a look at this washer here. See what the orientation is. So yeah, okay, indent down. Doing this with glasses on when I'm sweating like this is not great. Anyway. So let's get the new one opened up. We'll compare sizes and everything, and actually it feels just a hair smaller, but that shouldn't be an issue. So got the sleeve, got the new washer. So now we just gotta loosen the tensioner off again to get the belt back around the idler. Okay, that looks like it's on there straight. Good. That's on, that's on. Nothing's jumping teeth. Now, I don't know how this car is going to react if I tried to start it up without the airflow sensor on. So we're going to put the airbox back in. You've already seen me take it out. Literally just the opposite. And then we'll fire it up and make sure that noise is gone. Okay. All back in. Cross your fingers. I have every faith in Alistair that was the correct thing, but I mean, it's possible that there was another pulley making noise, so let's see what happens. That's what it should sound like. So anyway, just a quick little DIY Porsche 996 turbo repair video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my buddy Alistair's link below, Friesen Automotive, and also make sure to check out my sponsors Modify Me. Use the code Shane10 for 10% off any of their services for your vehicle or commercial business. Anyway, catch you next video.